If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, one of the easiest ways to do so is by using the Photos app. If you go to Photos and choose the image that you want to set as a wallpaper or photo, of course, then you should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then in here we have set as wallpaper. Now we can choose to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So I'm gonna choose both of them, lock screen and home screen, and there we go. As you can see, we have the preview. We can zoom in and zoom out. We can use two fingers in order to adjust the position of the wallpaper quite easily. We have a couple of different additional options that we can use as well, and this is how it looks like more or less. Now, besides that, we can of course swipe to the home screen in order to get the home screen preview, so you can adjust some home screen settings in here as well, like the style and so on and so forth. Once you are done with the setup of the wallpaper, you can just tap on apply in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.